Good morning, student. Concept of energy audit. Why energy audit? To reduce the cost of production, to identify area of excess energy consumption, and to suggest way for minimizing energy consumption. Three main reasons for why energy audit: individual saving potential, good housekeeping, minor investment, and reasonable investment. Good housekeeping 5 to 10%, minor investment 10 to 15, and reasonable investment is 20 to 25% we have. Then main process is water reception and storage, cleaning and conditioning, milling and sieving, blending, floor storage and packaging. Therefore, main process for wheat reception and storage, cleaning, conditioning, milling, sieving and blending for packing. Then concern of energy auditing. No proper information, no real-time data. Energy auditing is based on the principle of we cannot manage what we don't measure. One-time energy auditing is not sufficient. No continuous monitoring. Then here you see the energy monitoring and targeting. It is primarily management technique to use energy information as a basis to eliminate waste, reduce and control current level of energy use and improve the existing monitoring processes. It builds the principle of you can't manage what you don't measure. It essentially combines the principle of energy use and statics. And definition for monitoring and targeting. Monitoring means essentially aimed establishing the existing pattern of energy consumption. And targeting is the identification of energy consumption level which is desirable as a management goal to work towards energy conservation. Then elements of monitoring and targeting. First, recording, measuring and recording energy consumption. Second, analyzing, correlating energy consumption to a measured output such as production quantity. Third, comparing, it is energy consumption to an appropriate standard or benchmark. Fourth, setting targets to reduce or control energy consumption. Fifth, monitoring, comparing energy consumption to the set target on a regular basis. Reporting the result including any variances from the targets which have been set. Then controlling, implementing management measures to correct any variance which may have occurred. There is 7 elements for monitoring and targeting. First, recording. Second, analyzing. Third, comparing. Fourth, setting targets. Fifth, monitoring. Sixth, reporting. And 7, controlling. Then monitoring and targeting. It is management technique which helps to control energy consumption, control any resource, continuous monitoring, gather continuous information, indicate the continuous varying pattern. Without compass and map, we are dead men in the desert. Without compass and map, we are dead men in the desert. For smart server or data concentrator, it is used to control, monitoring, manage any electronic device, remotely access data, manage the entire control system. Then energy nodes and sensor gateway. Energy meter which helps in collecting around 10 electrical parameters for RYB phases. Voltage, current, power, active power, reactive power, frequency, power factor, plots the load variations for the connected machines. Sensor gateways gives the physical parameters, pressure, temperature and flow. How the monitoring system work? Considering the smart server, two types of internet protocols. First, static and second, dynamic. Static internal protocol is used to access local works either for lone air or the land work. And dynamic internal protocol is used to access globally. Example is broadband. Here how to work for two examples. First motor, here you see the motor, blower, fan, and second figure is compressor. दोनों वर्क कैसे करते हैं? फर्स्ट ट्रांसफरिंग द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पैनल, देन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पैनल ट्रांसफर एनर्जी नोड एंड सेंसर गेटवे for smart server, and then transfer to personal computer, and we have visible to computer screen. A particular machine, motor or compressor connected to energy meter or sensor gateway respectively through electronic panel, and this panel connected to smart server, and smart server is connected to PC or access data. Here see the figure and description. Motor connected to electrical panel connect to smart server, and smart server connect to personal computer or access data. Connection are done through communication cable, and communication cable are used for interconnected server and machines as well. And PC should be installed an application called as Optimum Energy. This helps in accessing data and plotting the graph automatically. And smart server can be used to occupancy sensors, and that application can be used to control lighting system and control fans and other electronic goods, which saves the energy. And last, advantages of monitoring and targeting. Expected benefit: first, guidance to reduce excess energy consumptions. Second, identify the default equipment, power factor improvement, current reduction in line losses, load balancing and minimizing of neutral current, maintaining SEC and creating benchmark, determining the future energy use when planning changes, and diagnose specific areas of waste energy. Here different advantages of energy monitoring and targeting. Thank you.